Literally, no one has ever asked me what my first application in machine vision was, but I'm going to tell you anyway. It all started with croissants. 25 years ago, I was approached by a mate of mine, Mark Basilap. He was working for Omron at the time. They had just launched a range of small machine vision systems. Now, this wasn't quite the birth of machine vision, but it was when it first went mainstream. We implemented a camera system on a croissant line to improve their quality. What they were finding was when they cut out all the triangles of pastry that are later going to be rolled up to make the croissant, they have to orientate them so they're all facing the same way. And there's a turning unit that turns 90 degrees one way, then 90 degrees the other, then 90 degrees one way, then 90 degrees the other. And it would sometimes get out of sync. So you'd start turning all the triangles so they're facing the wrong way. The operator spots this, he presses a button, it skips a turn and it's back in sync. But the problem was that you might waste a load of pastry because he might not be looking. So it might be 20 or 30 rows that have gone past and that's all wasted pastry. So what they wanted to do was put a camera system on there and detect whether they were coming through the wrong way. So that's exactly what we did. Very simple, pattern match on the triangle. Is it at 0 degrees or is it 180 degrees or thereabouts? If we saw 3 on the trot where it was at 180 degrees, we gave a digital output that was the equivalent of pressing that button. And that was my first application, my first win in machine vision. And from that moment, I was hooked. It was the new emerging technology and I just fell in love.